it's me, Bakisa. I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover while I'm actually recording. We're going to see how this works. Today's day number 3 of CanvaMas. If I sound tired, it's because I am. I worked a double shift last night and I'm tired. I woke up so I could do this tutorial. So in the new year coming up, to add to your business, you probably could think about something like a planner that you can provide for clients. You can make it on Canva for the free and then upload it to whatever printing publication that you want. I have previously done mine in Amazon, on Amazon KDP. They have other print, and if I remember or have time, I will insert something along in the video or come back and say something. So we're just going to do a simple planner really quick. This would be whatever you want. So I make sure I change the measurements to inches, and we're going to be doing a 6x9 planner, which is a nice purse size planner for people to take on the go. So be mindful of what you're making and what your intentions are for it. So we're going to click create a new design. And here's a quick look at my books on Amazon. So Canva, knowing the dimensions that you put in, will I can't talk, I'm tired, y'all, suggest some templates for you to utilize. None of these are what we're going to do because, like I said, we're making a planner and you can decide how many pages you want. So we'll use Canva, and I'm just going to do the quick way to show you how to do these. So you can type in the search bar planner. And if you hear some noises in the background, I am recording this in real time, and you might hear airplane outside, dog barking. It is what it is. So right here gives you a lot of inserts and different things. They have sections here, planner covers, and you can select a cover. And don't forget, you know, we need to modify it so that it's more, what is it? So it's, what I'm trying to say. So you're not just stealing Canva's design altogether. You need to modify it. So as you can see, when you slide, it shows you that it gives you 2 options. And you can choose the template style as far as like colors. So you can do everything in this color, which is a kind of cool color. Or you could pick these other options. So we're just going to do something real quick because I don't want the tutorial to be too long. So I'm just going to select that. Let me blow it up. As you see the little dotted lines, Canva is also letting you know the print bleed where it will be getting cut off. But usually I also, let me click File and go down to View Settings. And as you can see, the print bleed is already automatically on so that we know where our images is going to get cut off when it goes to print. So we're just going to, I'm going to take this portion off because usually on a planner, you're not going to have that, at least not on the front page. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. And we are going to, I don't really care for the font, so you can always change that out. So we'll just change this because I just want to show you your options. I'm sorry for the humming. It's my nervous hum. And I'm just trying to figure out what font I want to use, so I'm just going to speed through this. So after all of this, I searched through the templates again and found another font that I like. So I'm going to end up changing all my fonts to this font and the style of that font also after I went through all of that. But okay. So now I'm just going to go through Canva's templates and decide on the inner sheets that I want to use, and I'm just trying out a whole bunch of them before I decide on the one I want. And then I'm going to go through and change out the fonts, change up the colors, and you'll see what I do. So you can just watch. I'm going to speed through some of the stuff, and some of it I'm not going to speed through. But if you want a detailed video on how I actually do all of this step by step, just leave it down in the comment section. This video is really about an idea of how you can make yourself some planners or something of this sort that you can offer for, sale for your clients as something as an additional add-on or upcharge or upsell in your business, whether you sell hair or what have you. Everybody needs a planner, okay? And you can customize it towards your niche and your clientele. So if you do beauty girls and stuff like that, the planner could have dates where they can add days that they're scheduled to come into the salon. They could probably jot down ideas of different styles and different things they want to try. Maybe they can make notations of different products or different lengths of hair that they've used or brands of hair. So you can always encourage your clients on how to utilize the planner so that it best suit you and your client. And I hope this tip is helpful because I just thought about it just now. And here you see me modifying the template by changing out the fonts, removing some of the elements to make it more of my own and less of Canva so we don't infringe on anybody's copyrights. And once again, I'm going to look for some more templates and I'm going to insert some calendars. And if you hover over to the right, it'll show you that there's a whole set of calendars and you can upload all of them to the page so you don't have to do them manually. But I would suggest, if you want this calendar to last a lot longer, to disregard the month, delete it and just put the word month so that way people can fill in the month. So that way this planner is good for years to come. It's not basically, it would be a undated calendar, and then I would go in and remove the numbers from the calendar so your clients or your customers can just insert the numbers as they see fit to make the calendar be up to date for what they want. So yeah, I'm going to add a weekly planner and change the fonts once again. So I'm going to delete the word January and just substitute it for the word month. That way the client can fill in the month of the year, and also delete all the numbers so that it'll be an undated calendar and they can fill it in as needed. So I've made several pages and I'm just going to place them in order of how I want them to go. All I did was duplicate them as many pages as I needed. Of course, I had 12 calendars. Weekly planners, I had 32 of them. I had about 10 pages of notes, and I'm probably going to delete the daily ones because it'll be too much. But as you see, I've already color coordinated everything, and yeah. So now after I've organized all my pages, I'm just going to go in and design my cover. And I would do all of the pages, but that would take a little too long. So this is what the finished cover is looking like. I'm going to duplicate it and delete some of the elements and try a second cover. So here's cover number 2. So now after we are finished, we're going to get ready to share it. We just click the share button up at the right and we will select download and select PDF print. And then I'm going to open it up in my Finder, and you'll see what it would look like if you were to print it off, and you could send it to the printers and, you know, put holes in it yourself if you want to put it in a binder, or print out just individual pages as a refill. And you can hit the template link button and you can download that, and that would be the link you would send to your customers for them to download the link to receive the template so that they can customize. And you would just embed that link into a PDF or what have you and upload it on whatever platform you're going to do. And once again, I can do a tutorial on how to do that, and that would be the link right there that you would share and embed on your PDF or wherever you upload and set digital files. And here is just a look at my Amazon KDP page of where I have several notebooks, planners, and different things that I sell. And I will click the link so you can see it live inside of Amazon. And when you check on Amazon on the desktop, it does allow people to see a preview of the inside of my book so they can preview the pages. And also I do go by a pen name. I'm Blushstone on Amazon. And I started this tutorial off early in the morning. Here it is late at night. I'm at where am I? Starbucks, because my daughter wanted to go to the mall. So I'm here working on this for you. Please like and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.
Christmas is peace.